He's very professional and he answers messages late into the night.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
We are Mr. and Mrs Olikh, and today we would like to share with you our renovation journey. We chose Noble Interior Design Private Limited, Team 10, as our interior designer.
So we did shortlist a few interior firms. They gave us their quotation, their pricing, but in the end we still came down to Noble Interior because they were able to accommodate to our design ideas as well. And as you can see in our home, this is Scandinavian Muji renovation. And so there was quite a good collaboration, I would say, where we co-construct ideas about what we wanted, and also Tim gave his ideas as well, and it's sort of like become better and better as we design this house together.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So as we talked to Tim, he was able to explain to us in detail and clearly about what can we expect from a house, what can or cannot be done. Yeah, and he was able to address all our concerns from the start of the renovation right to the end. Yeah. And I think important thing that we actually could contact Tim at any point of the day. Yeah, he would be able to reply us in a timely manner, and we're really appreciative of that to address our concerns.
So if you look at our house currently, it is nothing like the original condition.
Oh, that's right. Yes.
When they tear down the structure, the internal structure from the previous house, it was as if like typhoon has swept over. The demolition was quite great.
Yeah.
And then as they put the tiles into the toilets and in the kitchen, and we see the flooring, the cabinets being made, the walls hacked, and then revealing a very nice glass structure that makes the hall bigger. So all of these things are very precious to us. It's actually our brainchild, but Tim just made it better. Yeah, so we're very happy indeed with the result now.
Yeah. I mean, we really like how it turned out, the design and the functionality of it. They're happy customers.
Go!
Yes, a very good afternoon for our rent. Sorry.